This video was engineered by AI, a new player in tech arena. This tutorial is all about Excel conditional formatting, what it can be used for, and how to leverage it. The conditional formatting feature in Excel is a robust tool for reporting and analysis. You can create patterns and visual representations of data using color scales, as well as highlighting important cells, show data trend, create KPIs, key performance indicator, apply data ranges, and even areas on a pivot table, which I will not cover in this video. I will now show you how to analyze trends in your data, including set up KPIs with conditional formatting feature in Excel. In this process, I am assuming a forecast accuracy rate of 90%. Therefore, if the company meet this threshold or felt either above or below the tolerable rates, I would like the selected cells with KPIs and percent to be highlighted in different colors, using a conditional formatting feature. In this new rule, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting to show top 10 projected client revenue on these cells, and apply a rule to have them displayed in green color. Now, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting to show bottom 10 projected client revenue on these cells, and apply a rule to have them displayed in red color. Now, I will show you how to apply few conditional formatting icon rules on these cells to create more value on data trends. I've now concluded this tutorial. I hope you found value in today's video. Please help to grow this channel on YouTube. Simply subscribe, like, comment and share this video within your network. Thank you.